To share and schedule posts in a team on Ripl, start by navigating to the Ripl website in your web browser. Once you've arrived at the Ripl homepage, you'll see various options, including buttons to create, view features and pricing, and log in or sign up. After logging in with your email and password, you'll be taken to a page with tabs for Home, My Posts, My Brand, and My Account, as well as a search bar, gift icon, and help center. To access your team, click on My Brand and then select Team from the options, which will allow you to invite team members and manage your team settings. From the home page, you can click on Share Post and choose the type of post you want to create. You can then select Next and opt to share now or later, adding multiple social media accounts as needed. If you save your draft, you can share the post within your team by accessing your team page and selecting the post you want to share. With your team set up, you can easily create and share posts among team members.